Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you a quick step-by-step guide on how I went about painting this Hobgrot Slittaz from the Dominion box set. Now you're going to get 20 of these, so this is just going to be basic tabletop. Let's go check it out. So guys, yeah, you get 20 of these models in the Dominion box set and they are push fit. They are a bit fiddly to put together and you must read the instructions. I found it a bit difficult. You guys might find it a bit easier. But once we've got it all built, mould lines scraped off and stuff, we sprayed it with Mechanicus Standard Grey. For me, that's just the go-to spray at the moment. And then once we've done that, we start painting the skin. So I've went with Deathguard Green, just because it's a nice light green. The Krull boys that I've done are done with a darker green, so I just wanted to obviously make these a little bit lighter, just so they stand out a bit. So once we've done like 2, maybe 3 coats of that, just to get a nice coverage over, what we do next is we go and paint in all the ropes. Now the ropes are quite fiddly. Again, it's a small model, so just take your time. We go over it with Mournfang brown. If you do go over and you hit the green skin, it's not a problem. Obviously, just wait for that paint to dry and then paint back in some of the green skin where you've went over. But you guys are all bosses anyway. You don't make mistakes. So guys, now we come on to the metallics. So for the chest plate, the thigh plate and the little groin plate there, I've used Runelord brass. Now this I've never used before and I only found it because it was in the Imperium magazine, how to paint Necrons, like the new way of painting Necrons. But this isn't a Necron. So yeah, so basically just base coat all that. Again, I've tried it on black and it needs 2 coats. Yeah, I've done it on Mechanicus Standard Grey and it's literally just 1 coat coverage. So yeah, it works better. Personal feeling, it works better on Mechanicus Standard Grey. So yeah, just get a nice little base coat all over them panels with that colour. And now we come to the daggers. So I've used Iron Warriors. Now I really highly recommend this colour. It's just nice and dark and metallic. Obviously it's a metallic silver. And then we will just use Iron Hands Steel, which is a very light silver, very shiny silver, and that's your highlight for the silver. So now onto the wash stage. It's your friend and mine, Agra earthshade. It just works really well. Just mop it all over the model. Make sure there's no pooling though, because obviously you don't want big splodges of wash all over your model. Just make sure you get it into all them nooks and crannies to pick out all the detail. So once the wash is all dry, we're going to go back over with Deathguard Green. Basically, we're going to be painting in all the raised areas and make sure the wash is still left in the recesses. Obviously, that adds the definition. Yeah, I'll take this time as well, guys, to say thank you very much for sticking by me as well. If you want to see more content, please go like and subscribe and all that jazz. It does help the channel to grow, and it really does mean a lot. Anyway, back to the painting video. So yeah, so Deathguard Green, just watered down all over. And then these models have a few like cuts and stuff like that on them. You don't actually see me paint them on here, but all you want to do with that is get a bit of Screamer Pink or Druchii Violet wash, it's up to you. But if you use Screamer Pink, just water it down to a wash consistency and then just paint that over the raised areas. It makes it look like the saw and all that type of stuff. So yeah, there's that bit done. So guys, yeah, we have come to pretty much the end of painting this. So what you want to do now is get your wife or girlfriend or daughter's makeup brushes and ruin them. Basically just use these for dry brushing. They are amazing. We've got a bit of Rakarth flesh, and basically what you want to do is go lightly over the full model. Now, you won't really see it on the metal parts, so, you know, it's not a big deal if you do get it on there, but you want to get it over the skin. Just adds a nice little highlight to the Deathguard green. And also the brown ropes. It obviously picks out all the detail in the brown rope. So you can see all the bindings, are they called? Or, well, I don't know what they are. But yeah, literally just picks out all of the rope. And then what we're going to do is get a bit of Rakarth flesh on a very pointy brush or small brush so we can paint these little itty bitty teeth. Now these are small models, so you don't really have to go too much into detail, but if they've got teeth, paint the teeth. If they've got toenails and fingernails, paint them. That's all you got to do. And then all you got to do is base it with however you base in your army. I'm using Vallejo Darth Earth texture and then dry brushing it up. So what can I say, guys? That was a video, pretty straightforward. Again, guys, don't forget to put a comment down below how you feel the model looks and what you would do different. But this is all just about getting your models onto the tabletop pretty quick with great effects. So yeah, just like to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It does help the channel out a lot if you subscribe. Obviously I get shown about the YouTubes and all that type of stuff. So yeah, thank you very much, and I'll see you again in the next one.